Hi there everyone, Life DIY Josie here, where life stands for low budget ideas for everyone. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to be using this organizer that I created a few months ago for entertaining. Here are the materials that you'll be needing to create this caddy, and if you want to watch the full video on how I made this, please click on the upper right hand corner for the video link for the iCard, and also I will be putting it in the description box below. But to save you time, I will give you an overview or a shortcut version of the instruction here, but for the full details, please refer to that link. Connect the first wire rack to the bottom of the shower caddies. So you do it first on one shower caddy on one side, and then you'll connect the other shower caddy to the other side. Use 3 zip ties to make the connections on each side, so a total of 6 zip ties. Tighten each connection and make sure that everything is stable. Lay down the connected pieces on its side to make it easier for you to connect the other wire racks. So I'm adding the second wire rack to the top portion. If you see, what I'm doing here is I'm aligning it to the bar or support of the back of the shower caddies. Just like with the first wire rack, you will need 3 zip ties on each side, total of 6 zip ties. Tighten them and then cut the excess zip ties. Add the third wire rack as the backing. So to protect whatever you're putting on top of each wire rack that you connected earlier, you will use the third wire rack as a backing. This will make the assembly more durable and stable and prevent wobbling. Tighten each zip ties and then cut the excess. So you can stop here. It's already a functional organizer. However, I've added a fourth wire rack at the bottom. I've shown here also that it can be movable, but I have opted for it to be more stable, and I tied it up, and I used the last bottom inch here to connect this last piece. And this is where I used to place my planner and my notebook there at the bottom. And it also adds additional stability. Again, this is optional, especially for this purpose that I'm going to be showing you. Attach it with zip ties and again, cut. So again, you can end it with just 3 wire racks when you put the backing, that's done. But the fourth one would also add stability. And this is what it looks like after you assembled all the wire racks and the shower caddies. You can leave it as is, but I also added a handle so that I can carry it easily. I chose this 12-inch tension rod from the 99 cents only store. However, the 99 cents only store doesn't exist anymore. Or you can use the wooden handle of the toilet plunger that they sell at Dollar Tree. Or you can also buy dowel rods that you can get at Walmart inexpensively. I also use zip ties to attach the rod to the top or the handles of the shower caddy. Here it is with the added handle, and I've added also a couple of small baskets there and then 2 big baskets at the center. So now I'm going to set this up for entertaining, and this will be a perfect caddy for hosting parties or get-togethers, whether indoors or outdoors. I will be showing you several iterations or combinations of the large and the small or skinny baskets that they sell at Dollar Tree. This one comes, I think, 2 in a pack for this large one at the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and then the skinny ones, I think they come at 3, sometimes 4 in a pack. So you can put it this way. It fits 2 large, shallow, slotted baskets perfectly in each tier. It'll fit 4 skinny baskets in one shelf. Different combinations or mixing matching them will also maximize their usage. So partner those two skinny baskets with one large basket on top, and you can even flank one large one with two skinny ones. So here's how I'm going to set this up. I have one large basket here on the top, and this is where I'm going to be putting my plastic cups for drinks. Here's an extra tip for you. Add a permanent marker and put it here on this corner, and then instruct your guests to mark their names on the cups so that they don't lose their cups or interchange them with the others. To the right of the large basket, I'm placing the forks, the plastic forks, and then on the other skinny basket, I placed also the paper plates. And below that, I use one skinny basket for the plastic spoons and another skinny basket for the knives. And then I have this large one to hold the napkins. I will be using the caddies or the shower caddies to hold the sauces and condiments. So I can hold 2 bottles of sauces and condiments on each side. More condiments in small sachets are placed in one skinny basket that I am going to be placing below the bottled condiments on each side. So on the left, I have some lemon juice in small plastic bags. So this one is ready for entertaining, whether it's outdoors or indoors, like I said. If you have a big party, create multiples of this that you can place in each section of your buffet tables, and so that you will not have a long queue when you have a lot of guests. But for smaller or more intimate gatherings, this is just perfect with just one caddy like this. Like for example, a family get together on one weekend, whether you're barbecuing or just having lunch with your family and you just want to make them something, and then all of the things that they need to serve, and then also for the condiments is just in one place. I like that it's portable and you can carry it wherever you want it. And the fact that it is multi-purpose, you don't have to worry about dismantling it or storing it after entertaining. On the original reference video, I used it as a desktop organizer, and it is very, very useful for that as well. And you can put this even under the sink or the kitchen sink, where you can organize the items underneath your kitchen or even your bathroom sink. The possibilities are endless. That's why I create all these multi-purpose organizers, not just for one functionality. It's versatile, you can carry it anywhere, and you can use it for whatever purpose you deem. I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it with anyone who may be in need of this type of organizer. Have a great day, and I hope to talk to you again on my next video. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye!